in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the nightlight mode or filter on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for Nightlight. Best result should come back with Nightlight right above System Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Remember, it says show warmer colors on your display to help you sleep. Turn that on or off depending on your preference. You can adjust the strength by here just by dragging to the left or right. And you can also turn Nightlight on a schedule and then setting your preferred hours right here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.